It's Christmas Eve, and the world is a bliss, thanks to jolly old Saint Nick and his Rescue Assist. Sure, long ago it was a one Santa show, but now there's employees that help Christmas grow. The head elves are managing from the North Pole, striving to meet Santa's efficiency goal. Their products are standardized, their connection speed's quick, so they can fix glitches lickety-split. The technical elves do all the heavy lifting when it comes to this vast network of gifting. If the weather's too poor, they'll work out of home on a book that's apparently made out of chrome. Located in factories all over the world, the remote elves build toys, make them jump, glow, and twirl. If anything breaks, they'll need real-time assistance. They can live stream their issue, no matter the distance. To make Christmas work, you don't need a workshop. Just a few thousand elves are software and a laptop. So this holiday season, be sure and sleep tight, because Rescue Assist will make everything right.